the Lawnporn you don't see. I've been away for a month and look what's happened. Weeds, grasses. It was totally ignored for a month, and there you go. So I'm going to fix that up today. Made mincemeat of that rather quickly. Now digging it up, it's not the nicest of jobs. Getting there, and we'll clean that up a bit and poison the rest. Well, it's starting to look a little bit better now. Now we're just going to clean up the grass a bit. So I've converted my blower to the vac option. As you can see, except for these two bits here, which were verticutted and had the dethatcher over it, it's just a normal grass. It's looked after just by an ordinary mower, and this is the difference of stuff that's looked after by a cylinder mower. So the idea of this little yard is to just do ordinary things, but I've decided to do with this yard is really start looking after this one as well in the same condition, and see getting from this stage to this kind of stage here. Of course, starting at the total wrong time of the year. So that was mowing it at 10 mil, and yeah, exposing a bit of thatch obviously. So I've cut this down now to 8 mil, and as you can see, she's very uneven. Swardman did it with, or Svardman, as I've been told that I'm supposed to be pronouncing it, did it with ease. To 8 mil, and this is quite an uneven surface. Yeah, I'm too scared to do it in case the season really cuts short. The thing is, if I did it now and the grass stops growing, then I'm going to be battling weeds, and kind of in a sense I'm going to be battling weeds anyway, because there's lots of bare areas now because I've gone down to quite a low level. But what I might do, seeing as I've already verticutted a couple of areas already, is I might sweep some top dress into it and see how the rotary brush goes. Next growing season I'll give it a good go. Still got a bit to do, but certainly a lot better than what it looked like today. If I'm going to look after this with the Swardman, I will have to get it nice and flat with the top dress, and that is something I'm going to have to wait for till next growing season. So 1st of September this will get the Swardman Reno, I suppose. So it's the best thing I can really do for now.